Today we are making chicken with spinach and tomato orzo.
Registered dietitian Ashley McCorkle calls it a very heart-healthy dish.
We are starting with our chicken here.
The chicken breast is a lean protein
that is thinly sliced
and seasoned simply with lemon zest and salt and pepper to taste.
Pop it into our oven.
While the chicken cooks, you can prep your salad, a whole grain orzo,
and a ton of different vegetables
with cucumbers, tomatoes,
fat-free feta,
and chopped Kalamata olives.
We're just gonna give this a quick toss.
What we eat has great impact on your overall health.
And this recipe, cardiologist Monali Shah says, checks all the boxes.
Fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, lean meat.
By whipping up your own lemon juice and olive oil-based dressing, you can add some healthy fats.
We have some fresh chopped oregano, some minced garlic.
Save some of the dressing to drizzle on your baked chicken breast.
It's good for our heart and our cholesterol levels.
It is very important to know your numbers.
And Dr. Shah says to understand the difference between triglycerides and the so-called good versus bad cholesterol.
In general, we are looking for less amount of LDL and in a good range, more amount of HDL.
While adopting a healthy, sustainable diet is key,
try to stay as active as you can.
Dr. Shah says exercise is equally important.
The goal is to stay healthy. Having cardiovascular disease, it's scary, but we have tools to combat those.
And one of those tools is finding quick and easy ways to make nutritious dishes delicious.
There you go.